Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the Word document on your phone, open it in Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Once opened, check formatting quickly, headings, images, and margins because conversion preserves layout. If it's in cloud storage, sign in so the app can fetch it. Make sure autosave is on. This prevents data loss if your connection drops. Now you're ready to export. Proceed without extra setups, since the app will handle fonts and embedded objects during conversion. Once the document is ready, open the app menu and pick Export or Save as, then choose PDF. If you use print, pick Save as PDF. This step converts the layout to a fixed page, so check options like page size and image quality to control file size. If you need comments or annotations, make sure to include them before exporting. Choose where to save, local storage for offline access or cloud for sharing, and confirm the export starts. Conversion usually takes seconds to a minute. After saving, open the PDF to verify page order, images, and links. Make sure nothing shifted. If you see font changes or missing graphics, embed fonts in the Word app or export again using Microsoft Word because it preserves formatting best. Once done, share or upload the PDF as needed. If export fails, retry, update the app, clear cache, or use a different converter app. These fixes resolve most errors. Remember, saving again usually corrects transient issues, so try that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.